So, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am not going to tell you how to practice and what to do, what not to do, because yes, in every video I just tell you just guys do that. But yes, today I am going to talk about this life. So, in this life, people have like their own life, their own problem, their own job, their own like everything. Everyone is living their life in different way. Some of them living their life happily, some of them are living their life like sadly. It happens because this is a life, and here we have to go through ups and downs. I don't know why, because we can't understand about this life, but since we are here, so we found one thing, that is like progress in our life, how to grow in our life, what to do, how to defeat anyone. So this thing is in our mind, that how come my friend is growing, my neighbor is growing, my villager is growing, my relative is growing, but why I can't? Why am I not growing? So people say, yeah, you are intelligent and you are educated, and so that is why you have such kind of skill. I don't have. I think I'm not lucky. They start cursing their like luck and I don't know what. But God has not discriminated between, like, God never discriminates that okay, I'm going to make this guy perfect and this guy not perfect. It's not like that. God, of course, he send us with same body, same mind, but the thing is that some of them they get opportunity, some of them they don't get opportunity. So yeah, it is true that why I was not born in any rich family, why I am in village where I don't get opportunity to grow myself, to like upgrade my skill, why I am wandering here and there. So it's okay to be in village, it's okay to be in poor family, but yes, God has given you like something important, that is mind, guys, because by using your mind you can get over this pathetic life. If you want, you can fly in the sky, but instead of doing this you start cursing. Oh, no, I don't want to do anything because my life is totally pathetic. How can I do anything? My dad doesn't have money, I don't have money, I don't have opportunity. How can I do further study? Because of money I'm going to quit this study. So lots of mindset. Instead of cursing yourself, instead of counting your failure, just work on your like goal, dream, and whatever you have, guys, just start with that. There was a time when I didn't have anything, so I was also cursing myself that okay, how can I become an educated person, how can I become a rich person, because I am in village, I am from a poor family, here no one can grow. So yeah, I was cursing myself, thinking that yes, it is true that I can't grow in my life, but yes, once I started thinking about myself that Gyanan, why are you doing so? Whatever is done, like let bygone be bygones. But now time has come to do something yourself. Of course, you may go ahead, because lots of people, they have come like out of their pathetic life. Now they are growing, they are happy. They have told us like so many examples, story that I was born in like poor indigenous family, and after doing hard work, now I'm here and now I'm running this business, that company, this thing. So ask them they were also born in pathetic situation, but now they have like tackled with their situation. That is why they are somewhere else now. So don't say that God didn't send me in rich family, because most of the like so many poor people, they have become rich person from their pathetic life. So you can change your life, guys, but yes, you must be a pessimistic, not optimistic, because once you know your skill, your power, once you start believing yourself in yourself, of course no one can defeat you, guys. Of course it's better like work on your dream than like regretting about this situation. Okay, if you are not growing soon, if you are not growing like in 1 year 2 years, it's okay, but however you are doing, God knows that yes, you are doing hard work. So of course you must be given something, and when you start doing hard work, so all the people, all the like whole universe start thinking about you. So now I am speaking English fluently, even not only speaking but also I teach so many students online. So just because of what? Just because of my positive thought, because I didn't say that how can I become a teacher, let alone become a teacher. I was thinking how can I become an educated person in this poor family, in this village. But see, I have broken all the like boundaries, and I can show you now that yes, no matter where you are, you can do what you want to do. So don't curse yourself, guys, just try to do. Of course you will get what you deserve. I did it. Now that is why I'm telling you, I'm giving you examples. Earlier I was nothing but a yokel guy. I didn't know even ABCD, even didn't know this English language. But now I am speaking here, now I am teaching people. Just because of what? Just because of my this consistency, hard work and believingness. So guys, okay, I know it's easier said than done, but yes, I was also thinking like that when I used to watch some motivational videos. So I was thinking that yes, you guys, now buddy, you are telling me this thing because now you are success. Now you are telling because now you have cracked this thing. So it is easier said than done, but it is more hard, like it is totally difficult. It is too hard not to crack to do so. But yes, I was thinking that okay, leave it. I will also try what goes. If I am going to try, what goes? So let me try. So because patient is a virtue. Sabr का फल मीठा होता है. Don't become impatient. Become patient. And I don't care about this life. I don't care about people. I care about my life. You know, I always try to go ahead. It's okay if I'm like crawling. I'm not walking. I'm not flying. So many people are flying in the sky, but I never. Most of the people I have seen, I don't know, they are jealous of people. They are jealous of leisure. They are jealous of their friends. We should not compare with anyone, guys. I'm telling you. Let them do what they are doing. Let them buy a car. Let them buy a house. Let them speak fluently English. Let them speak advanced English. No. Don't compare with anyone, guys. You are perfect than all the people. Just say this and just say that yes, I am also able to speak. Whatever you are speaking, it's enough. It's good, guys. So I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, and I will definitely guide you, support you, because I am also like you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.